In this video, we will be fixing an exhaust rattle in this 2012 Ford F150. When starting the vehicle, especially on cold days, a sporadic metal rattling sound can be heard. And it's kind of hard to pinpoint where exactly it is coming from. If it is the passenger side, driver's side, under the engine, it's kind of hard to make that determination. To begin this repair, I have raised the vehicle on rhino ramps. I do also have safety stands installed, as well as wheel chocks behind the rear tires. And from the driver's side, we will be looking underneath the vehicle, right near the front portion of the front door. And taking a look underneath there, we can right away see a portion of the exhaust system. And from a little different view, this is from the front of the vehicle looking towards the rear. We can see that exhaust system pretty clearly. And we will be focusing right on top of our exhaust pipe. And we can see that there is a metal shroud or a heat shield on top of that exhaust pipe. If I move that, I get a little bit of a rattle. And we can tell at one point there was some type of a clamp around it. And I have purchased some stainless steel worm clamps, and the range of this clamp is 1 3/4 inches to 2 3/4 inches. And we're going to disassemble the worm clamp. So that will open up all the way. And we can work that new clamp around the exhaust system and tighten that down. Now we're not quite done yet. If we take a look directly to the right of where we just installed that, we have another item that when we tap it, it makes a rattle noise. Additionally, if we follow where we installed that clamp all the way to the left, we have another item that when tapped makes a rattle noise. Now I'm assuming these probably went to some type of a skid plate or other shroud underneath the vehicle. This vehicle doesn't have it, so we will just go ahead and remove them as they do rattle.